Very welcome to Daily English Speaking. Today I'm going to let you know the name of these flowers. Many of you, and I think so, almost of all you, and know name of these flowers. These flowers name usually in English this is called Catkin flowers. Catkin flowers, but in Bengali language, in my local language, this is called Kashful. This is called Kashful. You see, many of area, and you see, or 100 acres of area uh, is surrounded by these catkin flowers. You see, many of land and is abounded with these catkin flowers. However, this is the ending time of catkin flowers, and for this reason, this looks uh, blurred. This looks blurred, not gorgeous. But when the and time, and some days before, it looks excellent and beautiful. However, and this is called, you see, this is called catkin flowers. We can learn the name of these catkin flowers. However, and we know name of these flowers. You see, catkin flowers, and you see, and okay, you can have a closer look. You see, this is sheet. This is sheet, you see, and this sheet will fly with the help of wind, with the help of air. Then it will grow up again, and this land, you see, and will be abounded with these catkin flowers. You see, and many of foxes, many of other animals also can get their place. However, I have to end up right now. See you soon.